Spanish pronouns. A complete guide to understanding and using them correctly.
We are Seisonte.
Pronouns are essential to any language, and Spanish is no exception. In Spanish, pronouns are used to replace nouns, names, and other words. For example,
José es muy guapo. También le gusta el deporte.
Jose is very handsome. He also likes sports. They help make sentences more concise and avoid repetition. We will explore Spanish pronouns in depth and provide examples to help you better understand them. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are used to replace the subject of a sentence. In Spanish, subject pronouns are as follows:
Yo,
I,
tú,
you,
él,
he,
ella,
she,
usted,
you,
nosotros, nosotras,
we,
vosotros, vosotras,
you all,
ellos, ellas,
they,
ustedes.
you all. Examples:
Yo hablo español.
I speak Spanish.
Tú eres mi amigo.
You are my friend.
Él es inteligente.
He is intelligent.
Ella es hermosa.
She is beautiful.
Usted es muy amable.
You are very kind.
Nosotros vamos al cine.
We are going to the movies.
Nosotras comemos ensalada.
We eat salad.
Vosotros sois divertidos.
You are funny.
Vosotras trabajáis en la misma oficina.
You all work in the same office.
Ellos estudian medicina.
They study medicine.
Ellas viven juntas.
They live together.
Ustedes son muy educados.
You all are very polite. Direct object pronouns. Direct object pronouns are used to replace the object of a sentence.
Tengo zapatos nuevos. Los compré ayer.
I have new shoes. I bought them yesterday. In Spanish, object pronouns are as follows:
Me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las.
Examples:
Ella me llama todos los días.
She calls me every day.
Te veo.
I see you.
Lo compré en la tienda.
I bought it in the store.
La vi en la calle.
I saw her on the street.
¿Puedes vernos?
Can you see us?
Os invito a mi fiesta.
I invite you all to my party.
Los conozco desde hace años.
I have known them for years.
Las vi en el centro comercial.
I saw them in the mall. Indirect object pronouns. Spanish indirect object pronouns are words used to replace indirect objects in a sentence. Indirect objects are the recipients of an action and usually answer the question: to or for whom? To or for what? I gave the flower to Rosie.
Le di la flor a Rosy.
The Spanish indirect object pronouns are almost the same like the direct objects, but they have a different form for both masculine and feminine objects in the third person. Here are some examples of how to use Spanish indirect object pronouns.
Le di el libro a ella.
I gave the book to her.
Les di las llaves a mis amigos.
I gave the keys to my friends. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession. This is my car. That one is yours.
Este es mi coche. Ese es el tuyo.
In Spanish, possessive pronouns are as follows.
Mío. Mía. Tuyo. Tuya. Suyo. Suya. Nuestro. Nuestra. Vuestro. Vuestra. Suyos. Suyas.
In Spanish, possessive pronouns are often used instead of possessive adjectives.
Mi. Tú. Su. Nuestro. Vuestro. Su.
Especially when the object being possessed has already been mentioned or is clearly understood from the context.
Mi coche es rojo. El tuyo es azul.
My car is red. Yours is blue.
Este es mi perro, no el suyo.
This is my dog, not yours. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject of the verb is also the object of the verb. They always come before the verb. The reflexive pronouns in Spanish are
Me. Te. Se. Nos. Os. Se.
Here are some examples of reflexive pronouns in Spanish.
Me lavo las manos.
I wash my hands.
¿Te acuerdas de mí?
Do you remember me?
Se divierte mucho en la fiesta.
He has a lot of fun at the party.
Nos vemos mañana.
We'll see each other tomorrow.
Os queréis mucho, ¿verdad?
You all love each other a lot, right?
Se sienten cansados después del viaje.
They feel tired after the trip. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to join two sentences or clauses, referring to a noun or pronoun in the first sentence. The relative pronouns in Spanish are
¿Qué? ¿Quién? El qué. La qué. Los qué. Las qué. El cual. La cual. Los cual. Las cual. Cuyo. Cuándo. ¿Dónde?
Here are some examples of relative pronouns in Spanish.
La chica que está allí es mi amiga.
The girl who is there is my friend.
El hombre a quien vi en la calle era mi vecino.
The man whom I saw on the street was my neighbor.
La mujer con la que tuvimos la entrevista es Rosa.
The woman we had the interview with is Rosa.
La casa, la cual tiene 3 habitaciones, está en venta.
The house, which has 3 bedrooms, is for sale.
Esta es la mujer cuya hija trabaja en Londres.
This is the lady whose daughter works in London.
Esta es la escuela donde enseñaba mi madre.
This is the school where my mom used to teach. Spanish demonstrative pronouns. Spanish demonstrative pronouns are words used to point to specific people, objects, or ideas. They are similar to English demonstrative pronouns like this, that, these, and those. There are 2 sets of Spanish demonstrative pronouns: the proximal set and the distal set. The proximal set is used to refer to things that are closer to the speaker, while the distal set is used for things that are farther away. Here are the Spanish demonstrative pronouns. Proximal set.
Este. Esta. Estos. Estas.
Distal set.
Ese. Esa. Esos. Esas.
In addition, there is a third set of Spanish demonstrative pronouns that refer to something far away from both the speaker and the listener. This set is called the neutral set and includes the following pronouns:
Aquello. Aquella. Aquellos. Aquellas.
It is important to note that Spanish demonstrative pronouns need to agree in gender and number with the noun they refer to. For example,
Este coche es mío.
this car is mine.
Estas casas son muy grandes.
These houses are very big.
Aquellos chicos son guapos.
Those boys are handsome. Additionally, Spanish has interrogative pronouns, which are used to ask questions. These include
¿Quién? ¿Qué? ¿Cuál? ¿Cuánto? ¿Dónde? ¿Cómo? ¿Cuándo? ¿Por qué?
for example,
¿Quién es tu amigo?
who is your friend?
¿Quiénes son tus amigos?
Who are your friends? Lastly, Spanish also has indefinite pronouns, which refer to an unspecified or unknown person or thing. These include, among others,
Alguien. Nada. Nadie. Algo. Todo. Poco. Mucho. Ninguno.
for example,
Alguien me llamó por teléfono pero no dejó su nombre.
someone called me on the phone but didn't leave their name.
No encontré nada interesante en la tienda.
I didn't find anything interesting in the store. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Your comments help us improve our content and make it even more engaging for you. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We are Seisonte.